So on today's tutorial we're gonna see how to make this nice diamond shape crochet pattern. It's the solid granny diamond. I just learned how to do it, so again I want to share with you how I made this. If you want to see how, just stay tuned and follow the rest of the video. To start with, I'm gonna make a slip knot, pull through, I'm gonna chain 4 the same way when I start making a granny square, and then I'll join to form a circle. Now I'll chain 3. This will count as the first double crochet, and in the circle I will be making 2 double crochet. So I will consider having total of 3 double crochet. So till here is the way we do the granny square usually, but there is a small change to make the diamond shape, which is the treble crochet. Treble is yarn over once, yarn over twice, and we make a treble. We insert the hook inside the circle, pull through 2, pull through 2 again, and pull through 2, and that's our treble. I will repeat again the same thing. Yarn over twice, insert the hook inside the circle, pull through 2, pull through 2 again, and pull through 2 again, total of 3 times. So to recap, we did 3 double crochet, one of them is the chain 3, and 2 treble crochet. Now I will chain 2, and I'll repeat the trebles twice. So again I'll yarn over twice, insert the hook inside the circle, and pull through 2 3 times. Another treble. Wait. Another treble. Okay. One, 2, 3. And then I'll do the 3 double crochet as I did in the beginning of my work. So 1 double crochet, 2, and 3. If you are new to double crochet and treble crochet, I'll link the video in the description box to see how to make a simple double crochet and a treble. Now after making the double crochets, I'll only chain 2, 1 and 2, and now it will be again a little change. Now after chaining 2, I will make 3 double crochet again. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, and 3 double crochet. So if you have noticed, whenever I end my work with a treble, I have to chain 2. Whenever I end my work with a double, I only chain, I chain 2 in both ways, but whenever I end with a treble, I start my next work with a treble crochet, and when I end my work with a double crochet, I'll start it again in the next one in as a double crochet. I'll repeat. I should have 4 times treble and double crochet. So now again 3 double crochet and 2 trebles. 1 and 2 chain 2, and again I'll make the treble because I finished with treble crochet. So 1 and 2. Okay, started to shape already, and then again 3 double crochet, and then I chain 2, and I'll join in the beginning of my work when I started the chain 3 and the double crochet. I'll join. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first row of the diamond. Now stay tuned for the next round to see how it will shape. For round 2, now for round 2, what we're gonna do as usual, I'm gonna chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna make 4 double crochets in each of the previous stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you're wondering about the chain 3, it will be considered a double crochet inside the space here, where we'll come back later. Here what I'm gonna do in this space, I'm gonna do 1 double crochet, 2 trebles, chain 2, 2 trebles, 1 double crochet, as follows. So 1 double crochet in this space, I will follow with 1 treble, another treble, chain 2, 2 more trebles, and 1 double crochet, and this is how it goes. So 1 double, 2 trebles, chain 2, 2 trebles, 1 double, and then again 4 double crochets in the 4 stitches. So 1 in each stitch, total of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we've got the small space here, like here. I'm gonna do 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet only. So in this space I'll continue with 1 double crochet, chain 2 and another double crochet in the space. We'll repeat the same until we are back here. So 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Now in the big space, 1 double crochet, two trebles, chain 2, another 2 trebles, one double, and again 1 double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 1 double crochet in the space, chain 2 and join on top of the initial chain 3. And this is how you achieve the granny diamond, the solid granny diamond. This is how it is. I hope you find the tutorial easy to follow. If you have any questions, as usual, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment box. For more information, check the description box and let me know what you think. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.